La-di-da-di-da. Wait. Something looks off. Yay, new update. Okay, let's read the message of the day. Rainy cosmetics are bad. Let's go! Well, stop. Jump and let the world see your unique rainy fashion. Stay dry, stay stylish, and have a blast with our rainy day items. The rain won't last forever, and neither will these items. That at least. Hold on. I've seen a leak about mine. Is it back? Is it back? You already know I'm mad. But anyway, this rainy day is about to be way happier. Whoa, the umbrellas, 5,000, 6,000, another 6,000, well, that's reasonable, but, yo, that's not free this time, oh, man, you already know we're checking all these out, okay, umbrella, still got that right there. They should add a new cosmetic somewhere over here. Like right here. Something can go there. And here, something can go there and there. And, one can go there. And this entire full one right here. So it can go there, and there. We also have a big spot right there. Wait, pins. And new pins. Like a beach map one? Nope. Okay, let's just go try on the cosmetics. Summer Splash is normal too. Okay. Umbrella. It's raining. The golden one. What map is it? It's city. You can see it so clearly. That's sick. You got this one. I really like this one. Oh. Yo guys, they added legs to Gorilla Tag. The golden ones. Nice and shiny. That's pretty nice. And we got Eggy Waggy. Look at that. This is so cool. I'm so why whenever there's an update, I'm so bored. That's fine. I'm fine. That's fine. Any new changes? You guys better tell me if there's any changes in here. Not talking, eh? You. Oh, you guys stupid dumb. Okay, fine. Why is my eye hurting in real life? I think the cosmetics were the only changes. Ow, my eye. I don't know why my eye's hurting. The new one in Forest. Got Doug the Bug right there. Hey, Doug the Bug. Is there any new updates? Is there any new updates in this map that you've seen Lemming working on? No? Go. There's not. Doug the Bug is disgrace. Need a menace to society. Alright. That's it. Yay. Update Rainy Flashback. A good idea. It's good to bring stuff back. Anyway. Yay.